This is Vera from Numbers Protocol. And Numbers Protocol is the first access entry protocol want to make the digital file verifiable and trustable. That we want to create the decentralization, value, and the trust in the digital media. That we believe by starting from the asset itself, we could better empower the creators and also protect their copyright. So we know, content economic is growing so fast, and more than 50 million people in the world claiming they are doing this themselves as a creator in 2020, and the business is growing so fast, and a lot of people is seeking stepping into the Web3, and but there's still a lot of black point right now. So what we saw right now in the current internet is first misinformation. We noticed that there's a lot of a news media article use the wrong photo to make the dramatic content to attract users, and also there's a lot of stolen photo every day, and it actually causes a lot of damage to the economic, and also because of the technology, there's a lot of fake image and a fake video. So right now, recently, NFT has been rising from blockchain technology to position themselves to solve this kind of issue, because they have on-chain proof to prove this token is unique, maybe but from the standpoint of the NFT, it's kind of like a token and present ownership of this token. It cannot present the full picture of the digital asset itself. So what actually needed is the asset-centric solution. You can consider Numbers is kind of evolving solution of the NFT. Starting from the asset, we provide the full picture and the full history of the digital media, and then we can ensure the ownership and the copyright, and all the performance related to this digital media could be trusted and it could be verified. And also by doing so, when we focus on the asset, it will be easy for you to share in the ecosystem. So let me give you more picture about what is the asset entry. For example, for this one, you can see that when the for example, a photo has been created or taken, they will have the initial registration and have the 10-step on blockchain. And then following that, you might want to mint your photo as an NFT to list on a marketplace. So you mint that on the Ethereum, and then this record will link back to this digital file. And after that, you might have some update of the file, and you have the second content update. And then you want to mint your asset on different blockchain, for example, on Avalanche. And you also have this record. And all this record will link back to the asset itself. So it's kind of to provide a full picture of the digital media. So if you only use the token, you can only trust the history of this token on the specific network, but it's not kind of give you the full picture or represent the full picture of the digital media itself. So besides this all recently state, here is the more information about how we provide the information you need at the essay page. So when we create a creation, and then we do the asset registration on blockchain. What Numbers do will present all this content ID, and we will record all the creators' information. And also, if you want to license for commercial use or non-commercial use, all this information, all the metadata, will preserve on our blockchain. And when the people look up for the file, they will know the full history and the full picture of the digital file. And by doing so, I believe we could provide thorough protection for the creators and provide the thorough solution for all the partners. So what's Numbers right now doing is to provide a total solution for digital media. And it depends on the user needs. We could provide different level of the service for starting from the layer 1 blockchain and the smart contract and the developer tools. Also, we have our ecosystem app, called Capture app, and the number search engine. Capture app is very easy use, the creation tool. On your cell phone, you could create Web3 file immediately. And also, we have a number search engine. You consider that as Web3, Google search engine. You can put in the image there, and you can immediately find all the related blockchain history on the number search engine. So I want to talk more about the use case of the Capture app. That is the first blockchain camera. Let's see the video. Yeah, so that's our fancy, Capture app video. So, we want to let everyday user could step into the Web3 in very easy way. So instead of understanding complicated blockchain technology or NFT minting solution, you can just download the Capture app from Apple Store and the Google Play, and then take a photo through this Capture app and then mint it in few steps. Then you will have your own NFT picture, and also you can list in the not a marketplace in our Capture app, as you can be your creators. So let's download that and use the reference code right now. You can have the free point to do the free minting. So that's another different use case of our technology. As I say, we want to make the digital file verifiable and trustable to put the trust back to the internet. So in the beginning, we partner with a lot of news media, like Reuters or independent news media in Taiwan. We help them to archive the meaningful history moment, for example, 2020 U.S. presidential election, Hong Kong election. Also, we helping in Starling Lab project to archive the Ukraine war crime evidence. By using the blockchain technology, we can prove all the photo has been taken on site and it is true and authentic. And this kind of Ukraine war crime evidence has been accepted by the international court in the war crime trial. So it's kind of a use case that how blockchain technology could help the society and to bring the trust back in the society. Also, we will help our NFT marketplace to do fraud protection, because when we do the asset registration on our blockchain, we will monitor this asset for the full life cycle. So if somebody using your photo to do the copy mint NFT, we will find the same result. We will find the result for you, so you will know maybe you have been infringed. Your copyright has been infringed. And also in our app, we have on-live and off-live experience. We also have the solution for e-commerce platform to do the photo authentic. So if you are interested in all this solution, just contact us. We can discuss more and more. And the number here's showing short of the numbers. Numbers was founded back in 2019, and to address this kind of misinformation issue, we are the members of this Adobe C2PA. We also have the certificate of ISO 27001. And we are backed by very strong investor community, Protocol Lab, Binance, and the DAO-maker. And also our angel investor, including the co-founder of the YouTube and the Twitch, and the HTC VC fund. And we have a strong advisor from creator economic industry or entertainment industry that we want to learn more the problem they have right now and to use our technology to help them. Again, numbers is the first Web3 and asset-centric solution, and we want to empower the creator economic and bring trust back to the internet. So this two is our product, the ecosystem native product, Capture and the number search engine. Go try that. And here is the big news of numbers. As I mentioned, we actually provide total solutions starting from the layer 1 blockchain. We have our testnet deployed already, and we will soon launch our mainnet next month. Well, so see the video. Yeah, so that is our mainnet. So we do want to create decentralized digital media network. Not only using our Capture app, we want to have more ecosystem partner to join on Numbers blockchain to co-create this kind of decentralized network. So thank you for today to having us, and hope you enjoy our presentation today. Yeah, thank you. So download the app. You can have the free point to minting.